Hello everyone and welcome to Flavorful Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how to make Singaporean noodles. For this recipe you would need 2.5 cups of boiled rice, 4 to 5 servings of boiled spaghetti. To make Singaporean noodles there are multiple steps. You have to make the noodles, the chicken, and the mayo sauce. First I will show you how to make the chicken. For the chicken you would need 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken, half a teaspoon chopped garlic, half a teaspoon chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, half a teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. Heat oil in a wok and add ginger and garlic and cook for 30 seconds on medium heat. Next, add the chicken and cook well. Now that the chicken is ready, add black pepper, salt, soy sauce, and hot sauce, and cook well. When all done, transfer to a bowl and set aside. For the noodles, you would need 1.5 cups of tri-colored bell peppers cut in Julian style, half a cup of shredded carrots, half a cup of green onions, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon crushed chili pepper, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 3 tablespoons of hot chili sauce. In the same wok, add oil and then vegetables. Toss the vegetables until coated in oil. Next, add black pepper, red chili flakes, soy sauce, mix well, if you need more salt you can add, and hot sauce. When mixed well, add the noodles. Mix well. Then top with green onions, mix well and set aside. To make the mayo sauce, you would need half a cup of mayonnaise, 1/3 cup ketchup, and 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. In the bowl with mayo, combine all of the ingredients for the mayo sauce. So the ketchup, and then the hot sauce. Then mix well. To assemble the dish, you first spread the rice in a serving dish. Then add the noodles. Top with the chicken gravy. Finally, drizzle with the mayo sauce. Serve immediately. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.